Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Our today's recipe is paneer lollipop. As paneer is favorite for most of the Indians, I thought I'll make a recipe with paneer. So in this basically we'll marinate the paneer, then fry it and then dip it in the sauces and cook it for a bit. So go ahead and watch the video, and if you like it, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more yummy recipes. Let's get to the recipe.
First, in a bowl, let's add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Here basically we are preparing the marination. So now let's add 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then let's take chili powder of 1/4 teaspoon and then Szechuan chutney of 1 teaspoon, and then we'll take ketchup of 1 teaspoon, and then we'll be adding the soya sauce of 1/2 teaspoon. Now let's add salt to taste. Now add little water around 1/4 cup. We have to add the water in small quantities. First add little, then mix and add little more. So add it in like 3 to 4 parts and mix it well. Now let's transfer this mixture to a plate which is little deeper, and let's take paneer which is cut into long as shown in the video. As you can see, a little bit longer. Now let's dip the paneer into the marination and soak it for 5 minutes. Let it soak well, and once the soaking is done, let's take 1/4 cup of corn flour in a plate and take dipped paneer and dust it with the corn flour. Repeat the same for all the pieces, and let's heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and place all the paneer which is marinated and dusted with corn flour to the pan and fry these well. You have to fry all the sides of the paneer. So basically you can even do a deep fry in a oil, but I prefer doing it this way so that it will be healthier. So turn around and try to fry all the sides of the paneer. As we are not doing a deep oil fry, this is better way, and try to cook this in the low flame so that the paneer is cooked evenly and on all sides. And once the frying is done and turn into the golden brown, you can remove the paneer. So let's take all the paneer one by one, and once the paneer is taken, let's take either toothpicks or skewers and insert into the paneer till the front end so that it will be easy and safe. Once it is done for all the paneer, let's heat a pan and add oil. Here we are preparing the sauce now, so let's add 2 garlic chopped and then spring onion of 3 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon chili powder and fry it well. Let the spring onion fry. And then now let's add 1 teaspoon of Szechuan chutney, 1/2 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now let's add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ketchup and salt to taste. Now let's add the leftover marination mix or corn flour water and add little water into it to make into a saucy texture. As the leftover marination was available, I used that, or else you can prepare corn flour water, that is add little corn flour into water and mix it. That should be good. Now it thickens very fast, so once it's about to thicken, add little more water and mix well. We need that saucy texture. So once we get that proper saucy texture, now we'll be adding the paneer with the toothpicks or skewers and place all the paneer. The skewers will really help to hold the paneer and place it in the sauce. After placing, try to turn the skewers on all sides so that it will absorb the sauce on all sides of the paneer, and turn all once, and then let's close it with the lid and cook it for 10 seconds. 10 seconds is enough, guys. So once it is done, we'll find a perfect saucy paneer lollipop. As you can see, it looks saucy and colorful. So that is all, guys. When you're grabbing it into a plate, try to grab it with a sauce which is available below so that you can get more of the sauce and you can add it. So that's all, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next recipes and click the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.